Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing both pen and surface. This sets you up for predictable results. Shake the marker vigorously for 30 to 60 seconds so the mixing ball emulsifies the pigment. This prevents clogging and uneven flow. Next, press the tip down on scrap paper until ink flows. That primes the feed. Meanwhile, make sure the work surface is clean and dry by wiping with isopropyl alcohol because oils block adhesion. Once primed, you're ready to mark your first guideline. You now apply the paint with deliberate control to get smooth, even coverage. Start with light, quick strokes and let the first layer dry. This reduces drips and pooling, and you can always go back for a second or third pass to increase opacity. Hold the marker at about a 45 degrees angle to stabilize contact and maintain consistent width, and when shaping curves, work from the center toward the edges to avoid blobs. If overlapping, feather the joins while still tacky to blend. You finish by protecting the work and knowing how to fix common issues. After completing application, let the paint cure for up to 24 hours before heavy use so solvents fully evaporate and adhesion strengthens. For outdoor or high-wear items, apply 2 light coats of compatible clear sealer. This prevents abrasion and UV fading. If the tip clogs, don't force it. Soak it in warm water for a few minutes, shake and reprime on scrap. That clears pigment buildup and restores flow.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.